Let's make some delicious chicken and dumplings. I mean, look at these fluffy drop dumplings. Here's what you'll need. Plus some chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless thighs. Start by chopping a large onion, celery, and carrots around the same size. Place the mirepoix to the side and mix your garlic. Pat your chicken dry, then season both sides liberally with salt and pepper. Add avocado oil to a Dutch oven over medium heat and sear until both sides are golden brown. Once brown, remove and set aside. Melt your butter and add your onions. Sauté and scrape off the frond from the bottom of the pot. Season with salt and pepper. Then add celery, carrots, and sauté for 3 more minutes. Sprinkle in flour and sauté until the raw flavor is removed, about 5 minutes. Add your spices, sauté, and stir quickly as you slowly pour in the chicken broth to prevent lumps. Scrape the bottom of the pot occasionally. Give it a taste and add salt and pepper as needed. Once you like how it tastes, add the chicken back into the pot. Let simmer covered for 30 minutes. Now let's make our drop dumplings. In a separate bowl, add flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, and other herbs of your choice. I decided to just go with parsley. Now my dumpling hack, because I don't own a pastry cutter, is to put butter in the freezer and then grate it directly into my dough mixture. Add cream and mix with a fork until it resembles this. Remove the chicken and shred it in a separate bowl and set aside. Add cream, or half and half like I did, to your liking. Add back the shredded chicken, frozen mixed veggies, and slowly bring up to a simmer. Now it's time for the dumplings! Do whatever size you'd like, just know, the bigger it is, the longer the cook time. I made mine in varying sizes as an experiment, but I found the larger dumplings end up tasting like delicious biscuits. Once you've made all of your drop dumplings, cook over low, covered, for 12 to 15 minutes for larger drop dumplings. The last thing to do is to pour up a bowl and enjoy.